cremate the dead for decades. Now, he barely ever stops working.
मतलब मैं इससे भयावह स्थिति नहीं हो सकती.
I've never seen such a terrifying situation. I can't believe that we're in the capital of India. People aren't getting oxygen and they're dying like animals.
Past days were hard for India. This statement is getting a bit redundant, but there is no better way to say this because Indian government and we all failed in the management of COVID and its related crisis. Till now, we are able to vaccinate only 3% of our population as compared to US that has given double vaccination to more than 38 to 40% of their population. If we go by this pace, it may take more than a year to have double vaccination completed for like more than a year, like for 60% of our population that is required to achieve the herd immunity or to prevent like different waves of COVID. But this doesn't matter to us. The thing that matters to us or even the government is the Prime Minister home will get completed in a record time or that work doesn't stop.
मेरा जो मन करेगा मैं वो करूं.
But there is one company that has done tremendously well in order to handle management issues due to several bottlenecks like low income, supply chain issue, cold chain issue, unavailability of infrastructure, non-education, less technical know-how, etc. They had done tremendously well and built the trust with people and with all the stakeholders. Currently, due to their contribution, India is the largest producer of milk in the world. I think you are able to get the name of that company. The company is Amul, the taste of India. They are known for the quality of their produce. They are currently the number one in mostly all the segment in which they operate. So, all these things like I have said to you about Amul is because today in my product review series, I have with me the product from Amul, like Amul Dark Chocolate. So it's time for me to welcome you all in a new video of Let's Say Food, your dose in the world of processed foods. So without any further ado, let's get started. Amul is currently the largest producer of milk chocolates in India. They are able to achieve their quality product due to the scale on which they operate. Most of the facilities are mostly automated. They are using the latest machineries and technologies in order to have good quality product and reduce defects. What we say, quality defects. In the chocolate category, their chocolates are like at par with the world. They are not only having the silky smooth texture, but also they are competing with the world best brands like Mars, Cadbury, etc. And they are doing tremendously well. Amul sources its ingredients from more than 12 different locations or countries throughout the world. Maybe it is Brazil, Venezuela, Tanzania, etc. Now let's look at the packaging of this bar. This Amul Dark Chocolate is made from finest cocoa beans. The first thing that is highlighted is it is 55% rich in cocoa and this is natural source of antioxidant. This is very important because in chocolate everyone wants cocoa beans, not hydrogenated fat, because that doesn't contribute to rise in dopamine level or provide you feel good factor. So this is pretty good. One interesting fact is cocoa beans have high polyphenol content and antioxidant activity as compared to green tea, black tea, red wine and even blueberries. So chocolate is very good for our health and helps in controlling like various diseases related to stress, heart, etc. Due to its antioxidant activity, it is like anti-allergic, anti-diabetic, relieve stress, etc. So it has tremendous health benefits. If we see the ingredient, chocolate. Here it is written sugar, cacao solids, cacao butter, permitted emulsifiers maybe like soya lecithin and others, and it has also some artificial flavors like cocoa and vanilla in order to enrich the flavor. And it has around 4, 5, 6 ingredients, so that is okay with respect to chocolate because other competitors have lots and lots of additives. Now if we talk about the nutritional label, if you here you can see it has around like for 100 gram it has around like 557 calories and 33% fat. Added sugar is around 43%, so that is not good. But since like you want some little bit taste, so that's why sugar is added. In this packet there are around 27 serves, so each serve will contribute about 31 calories and around 2.4 gram sugar. So I think that is okay when it comes to chocolate, because chocolates are always eaten in order to provide feel good factor or to go away with the cravings. So I think this is okay. So it's time for me to take you to the process of how chocolate is made, how cocoa beans are harvested. So let's see. The scientific name of cocoa beans is like Theobroma cocoa, which simply means food of gods. And mostly the fruits are gently hand-picked and then beans are separated, following which they are fermented for 3-4 days and then dried in sun and exported. But the chocolate is not ready yet. In plants, the process starts with roasting of cocoa beans to develop flavor and characteristic taste. Here, different volatile compounds are made or created inside the chocolate, and along with that, the outer shell is removed and inner mass is broken into cacao nibs. And now, I am going to throw more process names at you, so bear with me. So the sorting, winnowing and grinding happens, which turns into this thick paste into cocoa liquor, which is then poured into mold and pressed at high pressure to get two products, the cocoa butter and cocoa solids. And with that, we are a step closer in making of the chocolate. With that, it's time for mixing of the ingredients. If you can see in this chocolate, major ingredients are cacao solids, cacao butter and sugar. So these are mixed in a right proportion as per the recipe. In this chocolate, only cocoa butter is used, not hydrogenated fat. So this is good with respect to consumers. Then the product like this complete mixture moves to the refining section. That is necessary for creating like silky smooth texture. This process is used for reducing the particle size of both cocoa solids and sugar to around like 18 to 22 microns. This is followed by couching, wherein the mix is heated and this complete mixture is mixed for around like few hours. In some chocolate, like this process can take up to 96 hours, especially for chocolates of Belgian origin. Then like lecithin is added at the end, which reduces the viscosity and improves the flowability and can also increase the shelf life of the chocolate. Then this mix moves to the tempering machine that controls fat crystal sizes, that is critical to gloss and brittleness or in final chocolate, and for providing like smooth consistency and also the mouthfeel that we all like. And then there are like some easy steps related to deposition of this mixture in molds to get the required shape, and final packaging in plastic wrapper, and then cardboard packaging is done. Now we are a step closer to the most promising part that I love about this product, sensory analysis. So let's unbox this chocolate into the tasting session. You can see like this comes in a very good packaging, cardboard packaging or CBX. The inner film is of some plastic wrapper in order to prevent some moisture and losses due to light, etc. So I think packaging is pretty good. So let's see how this chocolate looks like. This is the complete bar, like here you can see like 27 different serving of this. On the label also it is written like you can keep this 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. I think Amul has done pretty good in order to make this chocolate as stable, because I myself keep this chocolate at around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, and this is even at that temperature pretty stable. Now let's see the crunch part and do how good the mouthfeel is, how is the taste of this chocolate. Since this was kept at room temperature, so I think this was okay. Like when I have cut this, let's taste this chocolate. Amazing. The texture is pretty amazing. Taste is like little bit bittery, but perfect blend of sugar and chocolate. So you don't feel any sugar in the mouth, and smooth silky texture. So I pretty like the taste of this. And you can even see like this bar is perfect. With that, we are at the end of the video. Please click on the bell icon and also subscribe to this channel to get the regular update about the videos. Also, please let us know in the comments what you like about this video, and also in future on which topic you want video from us. Also, like since we are living in the COVID times, COVID has not gone away from India till now. So please follow the social distancing norms wherever you all are, and also please keep a double mask or use sanitizers wherever you are. So with that, thank you, and we will meet again in the next video.